Good day, guys. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. This is the Wealthy Embassy FX, guys. I'm so happy because this is new month and I'm wishing every one of my followers, the people who view my content, and everybody is coming across this YouTube channel a happy new month. And because this is for traders, I was happy new month and a more and healthy, successful trading month for all of us in Jesus' name. So guys, this is new month, as you guys know, and today we're going to be talking on BTCUSD. Now the BTCUSD, you can see that we are at the monthly time frame. The market is still bullish, creating higher highs. So but around there we are finding a lot of difficulties. This is the monthly time frame. We're going to go to the weekly, daily and 4 hours to break it down more. Or you can see currently on this monthly time frame, around there we are finding a lot of difficulties on the market. We call this a ranging market, right? But it's still a buy because the last lower high, so the last higher low has not been taken out. The last higher low has not been taken out. It's still standing strong. So what are we expecting? We are expecting this market to still buy to the upside because it's still a buy market on the daily time frame. So we're going to move to the weekly time frame to see what the market is doing. We're able to see some kind of movement on the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, just like as we've described last week, although I'm going to put the previous analysis link on my description, so make sure you go click on it to watch it. You can see after the breakout from this key level, the market came up here to create a all-time high. The market came down here to retest on the key level. After retesting on it, after creating this reversal pattern here, after retesting on this key level, it went up again, trying to break. It created a W pattern, trying to break this level now, but it was not able to break it. It rejected downward to this same level again and gave a weak rejection. So at this point now, we can see we're in the middle of nowhere, and in trading we call this a ranging market. When a market is in between two levels, we call it a ranging market. But one thing I want you guys to know is that in this ranging market, there is a structure in it. There's a kind of a movement in it. And guys, remember, this is the weekly time frame, and we have 1 day and 17 hours. 1 day and 17 hours for this candle here to close. We have 1 day, which is tomorrow, Sunday, and 17 hours for this candle here to close. Now this is the weekly time frame. Now we can't trade from the weekly time frame, but we look the direction of the market. Now you see this level has been a great support for us. When this market came here, it went up, it came here again, it started going up. So what are we expecting, or why should we start selling BTC? We should only start selling BTC when BTC take out this level. Yeah, like we start holding BTC very long when it take out this level here, because as you can see, the market came here, bounce off again. So only when the market takes off this level, that's when we start selling. So that's for the weekly time frame. And also from the weekly time frame you can see that the market came to this level here. We have an inner level in between the ranging market, an inner level, and it rejected. This was this week. Yeah, this is this week. It came here and it rejected downward. You see that, right? To this side again, and it's still giving us weak rejection again. You can see it, right? And that's it. So right now I'm going to go to the daily time frame. Now the daily time frame gives us much more data that we can work with. Now from this daily time frame, we can see that the market came out here, break out from this level here from the daily time frame, but it was a fake out, creating a W pattern, and this W pattern is known as a reversal pattern, right? As a reversal pattern. It created a W pattern, and after this W pattern, it broke out from the neckline, right? As you can see, this is the neckline. Come, let me remove this, and that's what I'm saying. I'm going to put the previous analysis, the link on my bio, my description. As you can see, when the market was here last week, I said every reason why the market is going to break out from here and buy to this upside, and which it did. And when it got here, because of this here is also a resistance level, the market has to reject downside. But there's something I want to bring to you guys attention. Now, as you guys look here, when the market was here, that was time passed. The market broke down here, came to this level, created a head and shoulder pattern, came to this level, came downward. At this point, we expect the market is going to start selling, but the market came to fulfill technical analysis and started going up. Now, looking at this point too, I'm just trying to show you guys some perspective, because patterns repeat itself in the market. When the market came up here, came down here, creating a W pattern, right? Now came up here, now rejected downward again, right? So what are we expecting next for this market to work? Because what are we expecting next for this market to start going up? Because the market was able to respect this level here. So I expect this market to continue what? Going up. So that's just it. So after this W pattern, we expect this market to come to this neckline, we test when that start going up, but market break below the neckline, and it's giving us a kind of a buying candlestick. So let me remove this box for a second, and let me put a line there. No, not a line. Let me draw the box properly. So as you can see, right, this is the neckline. This is the neckline of this market. Oh no, let me put the box. Let me put the box where it was. This is the neckline. Are you seeing it? Yeah. So that's the neckline of the W pattern. So what are we looking for next? We are still looking for buys. As long, guys, you guys will pay attention to this. As long this market is still above this level here, you see, if the weekly candle close not below this level, guys, we are still much more for a buy. And as you can see, this week, that means this week here, this market came down here to create a triple touch, 1 2 3, and rejected upward again, right? So what are we expecting? We're still expecting a buy from here, as long as this market is still above this support, this support level. So I'm still expecting a buy to the upside. So first, what are you going to wait for? Wait for the market to break above this level here on your entry time frame. When you wait for the market to break above this level, this particular one here, when you break above it, then retest on it, right, on your entry this thing, then you take your buy to the upside. That's on your entry time frame. Then you also watch out for this. Then you also watch out for this level, this minor level, and also this trend line level too. Also watch out for those levels. When the market comes to this trend line and breaks out this trend line, know that the market is going to heaven to this point here. So if the market breaks this trend line, market is coming here. So we're going to go to the 4 hours time frame. Go to the 4 hour time frame, because now remember, now on the daily we have a triple touch. We have a triple touch on the daily, and the market is already rejecting away from that level. Now as you can see, this was the trend line I drew earlier on this week, and the market came, broke it, retest, and now started pulling to the upside. I know people will be like, oh, the market created this, boom, and now texted on there. No, that's not how you trade the market. You don't trade the market. You don't look at the structure of the market from the lower time frame. You look at the structure of the market from the higher time frame. What is the higher time frame doing? This is just a level. If this market should respect this level, fine. That's why I say you should wait for the break of this level before you start buying. But if this market should respect this level and start pushing to the downside, then wait for the break of this trend line. Yeah, wait for the break of this trend line and you start what? Selling the market to the downside. Wait for the break of this trend line, because the trend line has acts as a what? Support level for us. You see, wait for the break of this trend line before you start selling. The break of this trend line, wait for the market. You have to be very patient. Wait for the break of this trend line before you start selling to the downside. So but that's if the market respects this level. But if the market break out from this level here, then what do we expect? A retest on this level on your entry time frame, then you start buying. Here should be your first TP. Yeah, here should be your first TP. Then the market break above it, second TP should be here. When the market break above this level, we are going up. But this is where I'm anticipating the market is going to get to, yeah, for the coming week. So guys, that is all I have for you guys on the BTCUSD, guys. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. I love you so much. Make sure you trade safe and also what? Stay safe. Thank you guys. Peace out.